Hey guys, I just ordered these solar lights off of Amazon. So you can see them right here. They're really, really cool. They charge in the sun, so you have to leave these out here for a while to charge. So what's really cool is you can also use AA batteries right here. And there's an on and off switch. You hit on when you want to charge them. So they're really, really cool. They mount. You have various ways of mounting them. You have a long mount, and then you have short mounts to screw them into the wall, and you've got a way here to screw them. Hold on, actually, this is right. Yeah, it's right here. So you can see you hang them like this, and they will light up. So we're gonna come back at night. It comes with all the different screws, like so, that you can use to mount them. So we're gonna see what these look like at night once they've fully charged. And they're very, very well made. This piece right here, this plastic cover for the light, can detach and be put on. So we'll be back and I will show you what it looks like all lit up. Okay, you can see here the long mounting bracket right here is inserted right there. And lay it down there, and it's all lighting up right here. So we're gonna come back at night and take a look. So now, here we go. They're all lit up. You can see here. I've got them sitting out here, and very, very simple. This has been getting light to it, charging for about 8 to 12 hours. So as you can see, they're ready to go. Look at that, how bright they are. And you need to not separate the other lights from each other more than 30 centimeters. But as you can see, this is very, very simple and cool. And yeah, so I got this off of Amazon, and I highly recommend this product.